Hello and welcome to this Seada training webinar. This webinar will focus on the GM9 Creative Video Wall Controller. The webinar will be broken down into these sections. We will provide you with an insight into the product key features, as well as show you various examples relating to the product. You will see here an image of the GM9 unit itself. This is just to give you an idea of what the product looks like. As you can see, the GM9 features 9 HDMI output connections and 1 HDMI input. This input is for source content from an external media player, for example, which we are then able to output onto various frames and shapes available on the GM9 software. You will then be able to load content directly from the GM9 as it has a built-in 4K media player. There are also 2 LAN ports for the control PC and daisy chain, along with audio outputs to connect a speaker for content with sound. Here you will find some of the GM9's key features. One of the most important features of this unit is its ability to support any degree rotation. Similar to the G4K Pro, the GM9 supports any degree rotation on each output, giving the user the chance to create many different styles of video wall. The controller also supports audio, so if you have content with audio, you can connect an external speaker to play the complete source. As I have mentioned previously, the GM9 also has a built-in 4K media player, so you can load and save various pieces of content to the unit and output with easy access. It also supports OSD, so you can customize scrolling text to output across the display. And if you wanted to control the video wall remotely, the GM9 comes with a cloud feature option, giving you the chance to send messages and control certain aspects of the video wall directly from your smartphone. This next slide is just showing a few examples of video walls using the GM9. On the far right, you can see a creative video wall display that users will be able to build, making great use of the any degree rotation function. The other displays are examples from our UK-based demo room, each showing off different features. You will see some OSD being outputted across the top of the video wall, and also source content shown in uniquely shaped windows. The large image here shows off most of the features previously mentioned, and also gives a sample of the picture manager, where you can load a variety of images onto the GM9 unit, and output them onto the display in a similar way you can do with the video source.
Okay, welcome to the Seada GM9 Creative Video Wall Controller training videos. First, let's launch the software. This is the first screen you will see. To connect to the unit, simply go to the P icon or navigate to the connection and then player connection settings. The stop button should turn back into scan, and then you should be able to just highlight it and connect. You will receive a prompt on the software and on the video wall saying connected. To set up the video wall, navigate to the system setup icon or configuration drop down and then system setup. It's gonna load for a quick second. Okay, and then this is the system setup screen. First, choose make and model of your video wall screen. If you can't find your screen, you can always add it just manually by clicking on edit, then new, and then just add your dimensions. You can customize the display area dimensions as well as adjust your bezel size. Now, to add outputs to the video walls, all you have to do is double click on the screens in the output menu. When you are done, just click Add Outputs to Wall. This will stack all of your screens onto one. To arrange the screens, for example in a 3x3 video wall, select 3 from the rows and 3 from the columns drop-down and click Rearrange. To set up multiple video walls, deselect some from the video wall 1 and then add them onto video wall 2. After that, press Add to video wall and you should be able to switch between wall 1 and wall 2. To rotate the screens, select the screen and then select the rotation angle from the drop-down menu. Press plus for clockwise and minus for anti-clockwise. If you want to rotate by increments of 1 and fine-tune it a bit,
You can use the greater than or less than sign.
Finally, to fine-tune distance, you can use arrows to move the screen. To remove a screen, select it and press remove. That is pretty much it for system setup.
Thank you for watching. And if